My hair has grown so much lately, and in this video I want to share my detailed step-by-step wash day routine for healthy long hair. For every wash day routine, the first thing I do is detangle my hair. It can either be in the bathroom or outside, but detangling is always the first. And this one, I'm using flaxseed gel. Flaxseed gel makes detangling very easy for me. So I'm just going to drench my hair with water, and then I get a quantity of flaxseed gel and use it to detangle my hair. This makes detangling very easy. If you haven't tried flaxseed, then you need to do it. I have a video of how I make my flaxseed gel linked in my description box. It just bring your hair back to life, and this is one thing that have really helped me, and I have stopped losing so much length on my wash days. Finger detangling is another way of retaining length, but subsequently I'm going to start using hair tool to comb my hair. So I get to use my thumb after stretching out the hair and making sure all the shed hairs are ready to fall out. Then I use my thumb to get all the shed hair from the root of my hair out of my head. So it is very important to know how to finger detangle. If not, you are going to get a scalp full of knots. So this is how much hair I lost for this section, and I'm just going to twist that up, and then that is it. So after everything, I decided to use this flaxseed as my pre-poo. In general, this is how much hair we have lost. While I'm waiting for my hair to steam, I'm going to make the hair tea I want to use for this wash day. Recently, I have decided to start using herbs back to back on my hair, and this hair tea, I have every detail of it on my channel, and I'm going to be linking that in the description box down below. After steaming my hair for about 30 minutes, I had to take off the leather just so my hair can breathe, and it went dry immediately. So now I'm just going to lather my hair with water, that's drench it. The first thing you should notice is how I twisted my hair for this twist. I gave a lot of space so that I will be able to wash into it and get my scalp clean. So here is the shampoo I'm using, my black soap herbal shampoo, which I also have a detailed video of how I make it, and I'm going to link that in my description box. If you're interested, please check that out. The second thing you should notice is I don't have fingernails, and I use my fingers directly on my scalp because I don't have any form of fingernails. My hand is just as plain. So you see, my hands is so plain. I don't have fingernails. If I have fingernails, I would have done a different techniques, like use my hair flat on my scalp so that it doesn't catch my hairs and try to cut it. Another thing you should notice is that for my first wash, I concentrate on my scalp a lot. I just put all my attention on my scalp. I don't go over the body of my hair. I don't go over the tip of my hair. I just concentrate on my scalp, and then let whatsoever that is remaining run through the roots of my hair. So for my first wash, my scalp is the most important thing I do. My scalp, my scalp, my scalp. Then I let the water or the soap run through the length of my hair. This is something I learned late. Learning to cleanse my scalp became my priority when I learned it. So the second wash, I now concentrate on the strands of my hair. So for wash day, I am now more focused on cleaning my hair with a moisturizing shampoo like this black soap shampoo. I am very conscious of making sure my hair is clean because there's so much dust nowadays, and it just makes your hair clutch. So for this second wash, I concentrate on the roots of my hair, and also I concentrate on the tip of my hair. I wash and then run down the foam down the strands of my hair and make sure I get every dirt out of my hair. So wash days are sweet days, and wash day is a day when you get enough water into your hair strand. Is a day where your hair receive the most life, getting so much water into your hair strand. So for me to know that my hair is truly clean, my strands just shrink up and feel so light. So if you look at my hair now, it feels like I have no hair on my head, but it feels very light and it feels so bouncy. This is how I know my hair is very clean. And I make sure to lose out the twists while rinsing off, so that I don't have a case of soap in my strand. So the next thing I'm doing is rinsing off this hair with this hair tea. This is something you can do after deep conditioning, but this hair tea is quite heavy and it's quite strong. If I do it after deep conditioning, it will keep on haunting me. So this is something I do before this deep conditioning. Now I rinse it off with the hair tea I just made, and I pour as much as possible, as much as I have on my hair. And this hair tea is a lifesaver if you're having any scalp issues, scalp itching, dandruff, just name it, any scalp issue. It helps keep your scalp healthy and your strands too. So I'm just going to be deep conditioning with this deep conditioner, though I haven't made the recipe on this channel, but I promise I'm going to do that, exactly that, soon for you. So with the tea I just poured on my hair, I'm not drying my hair, I'm just going ahead to add my deep conditioner. You can use whatsoever deep conditioner you like. Since I learned the importance of deep conditioners, you can never catch me on any wash day not deep conditioning my hair. And I advise you add this to your routine if your hair is breaking, if your hair is always not healthy. Adding deep conditioner will save your life and change your hair game. Deep conditioner is a way of giving your hair nutrients and life again on that wash day. So if you can do it every 2 weeks, once in a month, or every wash day, then you are saving your hair. The next thing after deep conditioner is to steam your hair. So I prefer this heatless steam. It just helps the nutrients get into your scalp without any force. And if you see the shrinkage, you understand how healthy this hair is. And I discovered something, that if I rinse off my deep conditioner shallowly, if I rinse off my deep conditioner in a very shallow manner, like if there is crumbs left on my head, I find it very difficult to handle my hair. So deep conditioners are really heavy, and if I don't rinse it off properly, it makes my hair feel heavy. So I stopped that already. So I have a very simple moisture routine which involves my glycerin water, always my glycerin water, that is water added glycerin, my leave-in, my handmade leave-in conditioner, and this is herbal and everything infused. So I no longer use herb to like moisturize and leave in. So after doing the rinse off and everything, because I'm trying to infuse herbs more into my hair, my leave-in, so you can use any leave-in for this process. Last not the least is my oil. So even though my oil has castor oil, it is very light for the scalp and everything, but I use it to seal in my hair, because lately I'm no longer using anything heavy on my hair. I'm letting my hair and my scalp breathe, so I no longer use anything heavy. I use this castor oil. I love this castor oil so much because it is medicinal. I use it to lay my edges. So that's basically all I do right now, and I no longer want to care about styling, because that is just stressing me out, and it has made me lose a lot of length trying to learn how to style my hair. But for now, I just want to concentrate on growing out my length until I am ready and in that right state of mind where I no longer have to neglect my hair for a long time. So styling is no longer on my list. Then that will be end of this video. I hope this video is helpful to you, and I hope you learned something from how I treat my hair.